Every design includes reusable components that you'll need across multiple pages. This video guides you on how to save time and effort using MockFlow's Symbols feature. Let's use the example of adding a logo and navigation bar to a website design page. We'll select the navigation menu and save it as a symbol, and do the same for the logo. Make sure to save each symbol with your preferred name. To use these symbols on other pages, simply select the page, go to the Symbols Elements section, choose your saved symbols, and place them into your design. If you need to make changes to your symbols, just click on the symbol from the Symbols section and you'll be redirected to the symbol editor. Here, you can make the desired adjustments to your symbol using the sidebar settings. Once you're finished, you can either save the changes only to the symbol or save the updated symbol in all the instances where it is used. If you have selected to update all the instances, you will see the changes automatically reflected across all pages where this symbol is used. Watch our next videos in the same series to learn how to update only one instance and how to detach symbols. With MockFlow, you always have a smarter and faster way to complete your designs. Avoid slow processes, choose MockFlow for speed and efficiency.